Before synthetic rope existed, before hardware stores existed, every shelter, every trap, every raft, every tool was held together by something a person made with their hands. This skill is 40,000 years old. You can learn it in the next 3 minutes. Step 1. Find your fiber. You do not need a specific plant. You need a fibrous one. Dogbane, stinging nettle, yucca, inner bark of willow, cedar, or basswood. In a tropical environment, coconut husk, banana leaf, jungle vine. In the UK, nettles are the preferred source. The rule is simple. If you can pull a long strand from the plant without it snapping immediately, it works. Harvest the stalks. Dry them slightly, not bone dry. Then break them gently and peel away the outer woody material. What remains are the inner fibers. Thin, pale, flexible threads. This is your raw material. Now, the reverse wrap. The oldest rope-making method on Earth. Take your bundle of fibers. Divide it into 2 equal halves. Pinch the midpoint between your thumb and forefinger, or hold it in your teeth if you need both hands free. You now have 2 strands hanging down. Here is the motion, and this is the only thing you need to remember. Twist away, wrap over. Take the top strand, twist it away from you, tight. Then cross it over the bottom strand. Now that strand is on the bottom. Grab the new top strand, twist away, cross over. Repeat. The 2 twists working in opposite directions lock against each other. That tension is what creates strength. The tighter you twist, the stronger the rope. Keep going. Work your way down the length of the fibers. When you near the end of a strand, splice in a new one. Never splice both strands at the same point. Always stagger them. 1 splice, then continue 6 inches, then the next. 2 splices at the same location is a breaking point. To splice, spread the end of your old strand like a broom. Fit the fibers of the new bundle into that spread. Twist and wrap over the join and continue. You can make rope as long as you have fiber. For thicker, stronger cordage, make 2 finished cords, then reverse wrap them together the same way. 2 layers of twist in opposite directions. The result can hold significant load. This is not a craft project. This is the foundation of every tool, every shelter, every trap that kept humans alive before any of this existed. A sharp edge and cordage, and you can build almost anything. The grid is fragile. You are not. This is Cal Hunter. Grid 0.